Welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that impacts millions worldwide: mosquitoes and the diseases they spread. While most of us think of mosquitoes as irritating pests, they are actually the deadliest animals on Earth, responsible for transmitting malaria, dengue, Zika, and yellow fever. These diseases not only cause immense suffering, but also place a heavy burden on families, healthcare systems, and economies, especially in vulnerable regions. Traditional solutions like insecticides and bed nets have helped, but they haven't eliminated the threat. This ongoing harm has pushed scientists to search for more effective, long-term solutions. That's where gene-edited mosquitoes come in, offering a new approach to an age-old problem. Gene-edited mosquitoes are created using advanced genetic tools to disrupt the cycle of disease transmission. Some are engineered so their offspring can't survive, which gradually reduces mosquito populations. Others are modified to prevent them from carrying or spreading specific pathogens. These genetic traits are designed to spread through wild mosquito populations over time, targeting only the species that transmit dangerous diseases. The aim isn't to wipe out all mosquitoes, but to stop the ones that make people sick. This approach represents a major shift from traditional methods, focusing on precision and sustainability. Let's look at how these innovations are being put into practice and what makes them so promising. From a scientific perspective, gene-edited mosquitoes offer several clear advantages. Unlike chemical pesticides, these mosquitoes are species-specific, meaning they don't harm other insects or pollute the environment. Early field trials have shown significant reductions in mosquito populations and a decrease in disease risk. For communities plagued by mosquito-borne illnesses, this technology could be life-changing. The potential to save lives and reduce suffering is enormous, and the environmental benefits are equally important. However, as we consider these promising results, it's crucial to weigh them against possible risks and broader impacts. Reducing mosquito-borne diseases could transform lives in ways that go far beyond just lowering infection rates. Healthier communities mean children can attend school more regularly, economies can grow stronger, and families spend less time caring for sick relatives. The burden on healthcare systems would also decrease, freeing up resources for other needs. From this perspective, using gene-edited mosquitoes isn't just a scientific decision, it's an ethical one. Choosing not to use a potentially life-saving tool also carries consequences, especially when millions continue to suffer from preventable diseases. Despite the promise, there are important risks to consider. Ecosystems are complex, and changing one species can have ripple effects. Mosquitoes are food for birds, fish, and other animals, so reducing their numbers could disrupt local food webs. Long-term ecological impacts are hard to predict. Another major concern is irreversibility. Once gene-edited traits spread, they can't easily be undone. This raises questions about consent and responsibility, especially for communities directly affected by these changes. Ethical use of this technology requires transparency, community involvement, and respect for cultural values. Scientific ability alone isn't enough. We must also consider who gets to decide and how those decisions are made. Weighing the risks of gene-edited mosquitoes, it's important to remember the current reality. Millions already suffer from mosquito-borne diseases, and chemical insecticides harm both people and the environment. The real question is whether gene editing is perfect, but whether it's better than what we have now. Progress doesn't mean rushing ahead blindly. Careful trials, long-term monitoring, and strong ethical oversight can help manage risks. Responsible innovation means respecting uncertainty while still seeking solutions to urgent health problems. By balancing caution with progress, society can make informed choices that protect both people and the planet. Gene-edited mosquitoes hold extraordinary promise for reducing suffering and saving lives, but they also demand serious ethical responsibility. This isn't just a scientific issue, it's a societal one. Every decision, whether to act or not, shapes our future. The challenge is to ensure that choices are guided by evidence, ethics, and respect for both people and the natural world. As we move forward, it's essential to keep the conversation open, weigh all perspectives, and proceed with both hope and caution. Thank you for joining this exploration of a technology that could change the world for the better.